Würzburg, a charming city nestled in the heart of Franconia in Bavaria, Germany, offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and scenic beauty that beckons travelers to explore its enchanting streets and landmarks. With a history that dates back to ancient times, Würzburg showcases a rich heritage that is reflected in its architecture, museums, and vibrant cultural scene. The Würzburg Residence, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is an architectural masterpiece that exemplifies the Baroque style. This magnificent palace, with its stunning gardens and opulent interiors, was built by the prince-bishops of Würzburg and stands as a symbol of their power and influence. The grand staircase, frescoed ceilings, and Tiepolo's famous ceiling painting in the Imperial Hall are just a few of the residence's remarkable features. Marienburg Fortress, perched on a hill overlooking the city, offers panoramic views of the main river and the surrounding vineyards. The fortress, with its historic structures and museums, is a testament to Würzburg's medieval past and has played a crucial role in the city's defense over the centuries. Würzburg's location along the Romantic Road, a famous scenic route through Germany, makes it an ideal starting or stopping point for travelers exploring the region's picturesque landscapes and charming towns. The Old Main Bridge, adorned with statues of saints, offers a charming walkway that connects the old town with the fortress. The bridge's historical significance and picturesque views make it a popular spot for leisurely strolls and photography. Würzburg's thriving wine culture is evident in its vineyards, particularly in the nearby Franconian wine region. Wine tastings, vineyard tours, and visits to local wineries provide opportunities to sample the region's esteemed wines, including the famous Franconian white wine. The Julius Maximilian University of Würzburg, founded in 1402, adds an academic and youthful atmosphere to the city. Its elegant buildings and bustling student life contribute to Würzburg's dynamic character. The main Frankisches Museum, housed in a former church, showcases the city's history and art through an impressive collection of artifacts, paintings, and sculptures that span different eras. Würzburg's vibrant cultural scene includes theaters, galleries, and music venues that host a range of performances, from classical concerts to contemporary art exhibitions. The Mozart Festival, held annually, celebrates the composer's legacy with a series of concerts and events. Culinary enthusiasts will find delight in Würzburg's traditional Franconian cuisine, characterized by hearty dishes and local specialties. Gasthäuser, traditional inns, offer a taste of the region's flavors, including sausages, pretzels, and locally brewed beer. Würzburg is a city that encapsulates the essence of Bavarian history and charm. Whether it's exploring architectural marvels, savoring local flavors, immersing in cultural experiences, or simply enjoying the city's serene ambience, Würzburg invites travelers to embark on a journey that captures the spirit of both its storied past and its vibrant present.